Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Today I am going to show you how to make the very tasty bhaji curry recipe. Watch the video till the end so that you can also make this recipe at home easily and enjoy. The ingredients are 4 bhajis, 1 cup of finely chopped onions, half cup of tomato pieces, 5 dry chilies and half teaspoon of peppercorn, salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of grated coconut, you can also use coconut pieces, and 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds and 2 tablespoons of peanuts, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder and few curry leaves and half lemon sized tamarind, 3 tablespoons of oil and 3 garlic cloves crushed and few coriander leaves chopped. I will give all the ingredients list in the description below. Take a pan, let it heat up. Now put 1 tablespoon of oil. Let the oil heat up. Now put the peanuts. Fry them on medium flame for 30 seconds. Keep mixing to avoid burning. Now add the coriander seeds and the cumin seeds and the sesame seeds. Mix them and roast for 10 seconds. Keep mixing to avoid burning. Now add the red chilies and the peppercorn and roast them for 10 more seconds. Now add the grated coconut and fry for another 20 seconds. Keep mixing to avoid burning. Now turn off the flame. Let it cool down. Now take this into a mixer jar. Add the tamarind. Make sure there are no seeds. Now add half glass of water and grind this into a fine paste. Like this. Now in the same pan add 2 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat up. Now put the crushed garlic cloves and fry them for 10 seconds. Now add the curry leaves. Now add the onions. Add 1 teaspoon of salt so that our onions will become soft easily. Now add the turmeric powder. Give a stir. Cook on medium flame until the onion slightly turns to golden brown color. Now add the tomatoes. Give a stir and cover the lid and cook until the tomatoes become soft. Meanwhile, cut the bhajis into 1-inch pieces like this. See guys, the tomatoes become soft ready. Now add this paste. Now put half glass of water into this mixer jar and mix well and add this to the curry. Add half glass of water again. Give a stir and cover the lid and cook for 2 minutes on medium flame. See guys, after 2 minutes of cooking, it looks like this. Now give a stir. Now add another half glass of water. Give a stir. If you want more gravy, you can add some more water. Now check the salt. If anything needed, you can adjust. I need some more salt, so I am adding half teaspoon of salt again. Now add half teaspoon of chili powder. Give a stir. Since we already added dry chilies and peppercorns, so you add chili powder as per your taste. Now add these bhaji pieces, give a stir, cover the lid and cook for 2 minutes on low flame. After 2 minutes, finally sprinkle the chopped coriander and cover the lid and then off the flame. That's all guys, the very tasty bhaji curry is ready. You can enjoy this bhaji curry along with the rice. I make this bhaji curry for the first time guys. You believe it or not, it tastes so good. My whole family enjoyed it. Hope you guys like this recipe. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notification for more interesting recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.